What's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back in with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Avalanche, which is a blazingly fast, low-cost, and eco-friendly blockchain. The key thing with this one is it is a proof-of-stake blockchain, which is one of the hottest spaces in the crypto industry right now. And that can be seen on coinmarketcap.com right off the bat here. I want to make sure that you all look at, in the last 7 days, which coins have moved the most, and you're going to see a pattern. Ethereum up over 11%, Cardano doing pretty good, Solana up a massive 32% in the last 7 days alone, Polkadot up 11%, Terra Luna up 20%, and Avalanche up a massive 24%. Now, what you'll notice here is basically the best performing blockchains in the last 7 days, and really in the last month and a half, right? And I expect this to continue, are proof of stake blockchains. That is where the institutional money is going. They want to be the leaders in the staking game. And you have to keep in mind, right, on many of these blockchains like Avalanche, etc., you can be making 5 to 20% depending on the blockchain in staking rewards a year, right? So that is pretty impressive, and Avalanche is no exception. Currently at a $15 billion market cap, and it is now a top 15 crypto. I could see it pretty easily entering the top 10 in the future, and it's currently sitting at $70. So we'll take a look in more detail at that. Also, I want to announce my new channel sponsor, which is Femex. You may have heard of them before. They're a up-and-coming leading cryptocurrency exchange. They actually have cheaper transaction fees than Binance, and I'll leave a link in the description to them. They have a very professional and sleek setup, and they've become one of the most trusted exchanges for crypto now. So if you're interested in checking them out, make sure to take a look. They also are very advanced when it comes to crypto futures trading, so I'd recommend taking a look at that as well if you're interested in trading on some leverage. That does come with some risk, but if you're interested, definitely check it out. I would give it a try, and I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. And they will be my new sponsor from now on for the foreseeable future. We're going to take a look at the in-depth chart analysis for AVAX in just a second. And very briefly, taking a look at the all-time chart. Avalanche is really a crypto that has been bulletproof, right? I mean, we have literally gone from $4 up to $70, and in the grand scheme of things, we had one slump throughout this whole time, but you can see that the general trend is massively upwards. So that is always something that is very welcomed and just shows for the actual strength of the protocol itself, right? So quick website overview. They are extremely fast. You're going to see that in just a second here. They will compare with other blockchains. And of course, they have smart contracts for decentralized applications. We all know how big DeFi is. AVAX will probably be one of the leaders in it. So that is also another big factor with Avalanche. So you can build fast, low-cost Solidity compatible apps. It already has the apps running on it. You can also launch customized blockchains. That is a very, very big need that some other blockchains don't have that option. And you can scale to millions of validators as well. They have a lot of institutional interest. You can see through the Bloomberg articles, etc. A lot of funds have been buying this. And you can also see who's building on Avalanche, right? We've got huge names: Chainlink, The Graph, TUSD, and many more as well. So that is also something to keep in mind, right? They have a lot of people who are building on Avalanche. Also, they do a comparison to other blockchains. Like I said, proof of stake blockchains are some of the hottest blockchains right now, and you will see that old legacy blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum just can't truly compete, at least in terms of speed and efficiency, with these new blockchains, right? I mean, Polkadot, right, pretty good stats, 1,500 transactions per second compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin that are both under 20. Now that is just not enough, right? We're moving into needing thousands of transactions per second, and Avalanche is right there with over 4,500 transactions per second already able to be processed, right? They also have extremely quick transaction finality, less than 2 seconds, which I think is one of the most important things in the blockchain space right now. They are proof of stake. They are very secure, 80% parameterized. And like I said, right, all these stats just show how impressive Avalanche as a blockchain really is. the money follows the best blockchains, right? Where the speed is, where the efficiency is, that's where the money will go. So I think Avalanche is going to get a lot of that market share in the proof of stake space. I can expect, at least 10 to 20% at the bare minimum of the proof of stake industry as a whole will be on Avalanche, and for DeFi as well, right? So you can see here, they already have virtual machines, etc. Very easy to program on for developers. They talk a little bit about, what kind of solutions can Avalanche power? Well, obviously DeFi, right? Asset issuance, automated market makers, borrowing and lending, decentralized exchanges. They already have some of those running on there. For institutions, enterprise, and governments, same thing: asset issuance and trading, debt financing, digital identity, document tracking, digital collectibles, NFTs. That's something that can be done on the blockchain as well. So they're very sleek, very professional website. Once again, that just speaks to the actual value of this crypto and how serious of a project it is. If we take a quick look at the roadmap, you can see here for Q3 2021. If we look at some of the things that they're doing, they're launching their new Avalanche Bridge V1, right? That is a huge factor to increase that cross compatibility, as well as a new Ethereum virtual machine. And you can see that they're going to continue to work on that in the future, right? They're working on a new wallet, new Avalanche Bridge down the line as well. They're just going to continue to improve, and this is already a blockchain that has a product, right? This is not something that they're going to launch soon. No, they're fully working as of right now, and that's something that's not that easy to find. You can see all the apps and things that are built on it or compatible with it. It's a very impressive list. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I just want to show you how much this is actually gaining in the space, and that people are truly using it, right? So that is another big factor. Also, quick interesting news piece: the founder of Avalanche said that stablecoin adoption will mark the success of the crypto industry. Emin said that he is the CEO behind Ava Labs, and that stablecoins will be the next big things, right? And obviously, Avalanche is a blockchain that can indeed, issue stablecoins on it, and also for DeFi, people want to borrow, etc., in stablecoins, and that is where Avalanche comes into play and can benefit from that, right? Huge amount of money and volume in stablecoins alone, and if we can look at Tether here now, the 5th largest crypto, 69 billion. So I mean, that just shows you how much money is in these all these different stable coins, right? And that is just just the beginning, right? And once again, I just want to give a quick shout out to Femex, our new sponsor on the channel. If you're interested in crypto futures trading, make sure to check them out. They are very professional, great website design, great speed, very efficient, and also have some of the cheapest commissions of any crypto exchange out there. I would definitely give them a try. Make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Moving forward, we are going to look at the more detailed chart here, which is actually very bullish. Now, yes, this is quite explosive growth, and you may think, oh, did I miss out or something like that. The fact of the matter is, if you said that back here, right, or even back here at the top, you did not miss out, and this is no different, right? I think we're actually getting ready to get another big launch off on Avalanche, right? And I mean, you can see from the previous moves, this is something that could push us well over $100. In fact, if we draw the previous downtrend line, we have now fully broken out of that, and we are just starting to begin this push higher, right? So I don't think at all that this is missed out on. I'm expecting easily 100 plus. I think on this bull run into end of 2022, we can easily reach over $150. And I think this is even a blockchain that long term can reach $300, $400, $500 plus. Like I said, I think this is going to be one of the leading blockchains in the space. If you're interested in learning technical analysis, make sure to check out my master course, less than $20. Great reviews from the students, and you'll learn everything you need to know about technical analysis. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, so you risk nothing by giving it a try. And also, please make sure to follow me on my Twitter. That's where I talk about all these cryptos and stocks in advance. So if you want to stay up to date and not miss out on any of my opinions and get that news right off the bat, make sure to follow me on Twitter. You'll find a link to that as well in the description. And once again, make sure to check out our new sponsor, FEMX. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.